Peace and blessings on the children. Now you see what he trying to do. I ain't gonna lie him though. I ain't gonna lie him chilling. We did y'all and SAV one more again. This year the Queen quit hunter know who I be. Now look who back here. Look who back here sipping on his sweet tea. Look who back here sipping on his sweet tea. Now look here. Let me tell on the children something now. We did out here today, cause this your thing to grind on right here. And you see some on the children. Y'all know who this should be. Yeah, from the Forsky, Sally. And then you see right yonder, Sister V from SAV. Yeah, all of we out here today and things like that. Because we part of this your pioneers in preservation. And while we the grind out here, you see, Jamal done yam put a possum leg and
squirrel from St. Helena.
And from St. Helena from the Forsky.
Yeah, the best
and then it had Savannah squirrel, the Forsky possum, and then he been a nam pun some peach cobbler, but they've been from South Kakalaki because South Kakalaki actually make better peach, grow better peach and more peach than the Georgia the peach state. Now that's the true thing. Look them up. But see, we been about to go cross yonder. And Dr. Tariq think he gonna let him walk me down the street and he ain't gonna tell me what going on right here. And then he start to tell me about the square. Now you know all true SAV if wanna come here, you have to come through the square. Now, what square this here, Doc?
This square is Lafayette Square.
And what you gonna tell me the snapper on the side?
And to your people who are viewing this, you ask the question, who is the father of this nation? Who is the father of this nation?
And he don't mean the Gullah Geechee nation.
Right, we're talking the United States. Who's the father of this nation? Wrong, because I know y'all didn't say George Washington. Don't come to me about no George Hanson, either John Hanson, that fool's nothing like that. We get all out that shit. I tell folks the father of this nation, his name is James Amistad Lafayette. The square is named for General Marie-Joseph Pierre de Monteil de Lafayette.
Who that is?
General Lafayette is a hero during the American Revolution. And some going to say he was one of the last of the great fathers of this nation when they fight during the American Revolution that survived.
Whoa. American Revolution. But it couldn't have been African then.
Well, that's General Lafayette. But that's why I went back to...
In the American Revolution?
General Lafayette is from France. James Amistad Lafayette, I'm using two different people, but James Amistad Lafayette, I say, is the father of this nation. General Lafayette has someone who is a double agent for the Americans during the American Revolution. The double agent that he's working with, his name is James Amistad Lafayette.
Wow.
An African. James Amistad Lafayette is assigned to the British by the Patriots to now watch after somebody by the name of Benedict Arnold. Woo! Y'all know that about Benedict Arnold history. Y'all ain't know that, ain't it? So now, here go what happened. James Amistad Lafayette come over to the British side, basically portraying that he is a free African who escaped African. So the British so he was like, I can assist you all because I know this environment, this terrain right here. So the Brits are like, cool. And he is now working with Benedict Arnold. Benedict Arnold think that he's loyal to the crown. They don't realize that James Amistad Lafayette, because he does know the way, he then slip back over and he tell his boy, General Lafayette, such and such and so on.
Come on now, give it to him.
So General Lafayette then takes it to his adopted father by the name of George Washington. He passed it on. So then Lafayette goes back. Benedict Arnold finally leaves.
Yeah.
But then guess what? James Amistad Lafayette said, guess what? Since I've been so loyal to y'all, I cannot go to Cornwallis, who's in charge of getting the British forces for the American Revolution. So he's in Cornwallis camp doing the same thing. Going back over and giving the information to General Lafayette. What occurs, now it's this battle called the Battle of Yorktown. Battle of Yorktown. Lafayette, James Amistad Lafayette, the African, is not passing on misinformation to the Brits.
Sound like something we still be to do a thing like that when people be to come in here and try to get information that we give them something for, set them on what they call them? Wild goose chase. But go ahead.
But then what occurs too is that he's also hearing the information that the British officers are not sharing because he's in the camp. They think because again, this is a loyal African to them. So what then happened? He passed on the misinformation, then go back to General Lafayette. And he not telling such so and so and so and so. This is the deal about Yorktown, such so and so and so. So George Washington get it. And guess what? The victory at Georgetown that was won by George Washington came from the information provided by James Amistad Lafayette, the father of this nation. If he had never passed this information on, you would not have the victory at Yorktown.
Come on.
Bam, right
the
here.
The original spook who sat by the door. Give me some more. Go ahead.
General Lafayette, when he now comes back to this nation right here, and people are celebrating him in the 1800s, like, one of the great fighters, one of the great fathers of this nation right here. They give him all this fanfare.
Right.
And so what happened, he's traveling through all the states in the colony, the states at this time.
Right.
He's not traveling. Then he gets to a place called Virginia.
Uh-oh.
He gets Virginia. And so they have restricted and said that the Africans cannot see Lafayette. Only the Buckram, only the Caucasians are the ones that can celebrate the great general.
Loyal
Lafayette,
general was
the
coming in
adopted son of George Washington.
Adopted son.
But there is an African
Watch
who is
them
there.
adoptions. Watch them adoptions, y'all. Watch them adoptions.
There is an African who is there when he's in Virginia.
Go ahead.
And they said, Lafayette, look. He said, stop. Stop. He
not in the name of love, and not in the name of love.
Stop. Yeah, it was in the name of love. It was in the name of love.
Go ahead.
Because the African that he sees is James Amistad Lafayette.
And
he then go over here, he stops and go get Lafayette and James Amistad and hug him, and he let it be known.
Wow.
He is the reason why we have victory right now. Woo! But we don't talk about this in American history. We don't talk about this in Southern history. We don't talk about the Virginia history, Maryland history, Georgia history.
Dr. Ray, you out here doing that critical race theory stuff they say. You out here doing the revisionist history. You would tell these people, say African people been here and American Revolution and things like that, have been a lead and do all this shit. They tell all that thing, storytelling. They either say when we the crack we teeth, but who we be and things like that. And the true story what going on and we like to see how it tied back down young, especially down in the South and things like that. They said we the one we're cracking, but what you say about that?
I thought it was just called history.
Come on with it.
I thought it was just history. So Queen, what we're going to do, because now there's a reason why this square right over here is called Lafayette Square. Because Lafayette, General Lafayette, like I said, was a Frenchman.
Right.
But we're going to walk on over here, so I hope your people can still stay for a second.
I ain't know. I ain't want to take y'all turn with me. I could turn y'all off. I could go by myself. What y'all think?
But
y'all
will come seconds, you're going to have to come back on.
Y'all will come in. I know y'all will come. They won't come. They won't come. They need to come on Dead Clean Journey. That's what y'all need to do. Is you come in the SAV for true. And George, y'all always want to know, well, I want yet anything but the Gullah Geechee and things like that, but y'all want yet them for free. No, you have to do them for pay. That's how we stay. Okay? So when you come into SAV, you take the Dead Clean Journeys tour, Savu, because this ain't but a lead test that we the geek on the children. You see? But we can't stay all through here and things like that for free. You have to pay something in economically. Freedom and free. I didn't tell my teacher to tell her children that before. Freedom and free. So when you come down, you come for support. We for true. Don't just say, oh, because I don't see y'all on live for free. I think I can come here and see y'all really living for free. No, y'all have to help we, support we. So we got companies and things like that. And why y'all to support everybody else economically except we and then expect we for dear? We have to go on and support we too, you know what I'm saying? Because you come down here, you stay in the motel, the hotel, you name for all the rest of people food and all that kind of thing. You pay for them things, they ain't give them to you. So when you come to the city, you make sure you find deadcleansoul.com, go on, book your tour and things like that, and it can carry you all through the square. Or they can call, or text. Give them the number.
912-220-5966. 912-220-5966. Texting is always the fastest way. Calling, leaving a message. You cannot, then the text. But I want to. We got to talk about this.
We done make them cross you. Go ahead.
If you want to,
give them a little bit more. Give them a little bit more.
We're going to then cross the street over it.
Yeah.
Now, see, I want them to see. See, you see that right there?
See that right there?
That's the cathedral right there. That's the Catholic cathedral right there.
And we yet praying and believing for Dr. Tariq for the healing. So y'all please light a candle for him and pray for him too. And I got a little bit of night oil I can put on him later, but I can't hold the phone and camera and thing and do them now. But y'all pray with me for him, yeah? Okay, thank you. All right, back to what you've been saying. Go ahead.
Buckwood Street, baby Jesus. That's what I'm going to say for right now.
And the real Jesus is an African. Nah, and he grew up and was resurrected. He ain't no baby.
But what you see right here, they call it the Cathedral St. John the Baptist, Cathedral St. John the Baptist. But the original name of it was Congregation St. John the Baptiste. It moved to this location. It came from off the west side of the city of Savannah.
Yes, sir.
And so that's why I was telling the Queen, we got to walk over here. Because y'all see the cathedral right here. And that Lafayette is Frenchman. He's a Frenchman. And so what is the predominant religion there in France? Catholicism. This is the Catholic cathedral right here. But we're going to walk over here.
Let me just say this, y'all. The same religion that they wanted we for change over and convert to, forget we manumission papers. If you've been going down to Fort Mose, Gracia Real de Santa Teresa de Mose, the Spaniards and them been the Catholic too and things like that. Going on, doc.
All right, so we're going to cross on over because we got something that going to probably, that's why right here, now I said this square, named for General Lafayette, the Frenchman.
Yeah.
Again, Catholic.
Come on.
Got the cathedral right here.
Yep.
People like to talk about the beauty of the cathedral and things like that.
Right.
And so, and I know with some of y'all, when y'all think about Catholicism in Georgia, y'all think about some Irish.
Interesting.
But I kind of gave you a clue about something, that the original name of the church was Congregation St. John the Baptiste.
Yes.
Which kind of tell you that it got to be some French.
Right.
So Catholicism in Georgia, let y'all know this, is not started by, oh, there go Jay right there. Jay in the house. Jay in the house.
The tour operators. Some more of the tour operators giving him some dap out here.
But Jay, hit me up so we can do that.
That's right.
So tell y'all this. So y'all think it is Irish Catholic that start Catholicism in Georgia? Bam! Bim, y'all wrong. Right here, they're going to let you know that the first Catholic Mass in the city of Savannah or in the state of Georgia is not done by Irish Catholics, but it is French Catholics and Haitian Catholics.
I knew you were going.
So, bam, this right here is tied to Africans right here. But you won't know that history. Haitian Catholics and French Catholics, Caucasian Catholics, are the ones that started. So this church origins are tied to French Catholics and Haitian Catholics. So that's why this square, Lafayette Square, is all tied to our story.
Our story.
Now, I have to let y'all know. I have to throw that out there.
That's right. And the last time Hunter Children see me and Dr. Terry walking these streets in SAV, we've been at the Haitian Monument right there and things like that. So if you ain't done see that one, go on to gullah-geechee.tv, or go on right here in the videos on FB Live. So the Facebook Live at Gullah Geechee Nation, check them out right there. So then y'all get all these connections back to AT and we who be Gullah Geechee right here in SAV.
Bam, that's it. Understand that. 912-220-5966. Day Clean Journeys. You can hit us up on Facebook, Day Clean Journeys, or on IG, Day Clean Soul. That's what it's about. We give you the information because we want you to understand you are empowered when you come with us. We don't do tours, we do journeys.
That's it. A journey back to we African mind every time. Journey with we about who we be and truly be blessed with the anointing. What we got, who be Gullah Geechee. This year the Queen Quet, head upon the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. Peace, blessing, and love, family. Stay strong. Know your story. Hold it up. Be proud.